Hey guys, welcome back to Uwanimbie Home. If you're new, my name is Lillian. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a DIY. So I've been looking for a planter and I thought maybe I can go to my local grocery store and then look at the planters or pots that they have. And then I went to HEB. HEB is in Texas. If you're not familiar with what HEB is, it's like a local grocery store over here. And I thought that I would go in there. And then when I got in there, they had different options. So I went ahead and chose this pot that I'm going to be showing you guys in a little bit. They have like different colors. They have like a tan brownish color and then even like this deep reddish brown, and I went with this color. The color doesn't really matter because I'm going to be changing it to like a black rustic lived in kind of vibe anyways. So I'm definitely going for that pottery bond restoration hardware type, you know, thing. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. But before we get into the video, you guys, if you've been looking for a channel that is going to ensure that your true stuff is being reflected in your home decor and lifestyle, well, you probably found the right girl for you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button below and then thumbs up the video if you like what you're seeing so far, and make sure to like and make sure to leave a comment here. Let me know what you think about the vase. But let's get into the video, okay? Alright guys, the vase in the middle on top of the book is what we're creating today. I lost the footage of the actual vase before I started painting. So here is an old clip of a video that I did 2 weeks ago. So I told you guys I'm going to be doing a little bit of project like painting stuff and like, you know, getting that pottery bond kind of vibe and stuff. And I think this is a really cute vase that also reminds me of this restoration hardware ones, and I think that I will show you guys the restoration hardware one. This one is obviously in this mint green color, and I'm thinking that I could paint it, do something on it, and then I could use it on a bookshelf or something like that, or even put it on a book or something. Now I like it. I don't know what you guys think of this one, and I got it at the Goodwill for like $1. So this is not bad at all. I actually like this a lot. It's cute. The colors not so much. Okay, so while it's still drying, I'm thinking I'm gonna add a little bit more brown to this mixture. The color right now is fine, but I think brown will be better. Somebody already opened this crap. So I'm gonna add more baking soda. So guys, once I finished this process, I went ahead and took it out to the sun to dry. Oh my gosh, you guys, this stuff is dried. You see this? It's so nice. I'm gonna go ahead and add extra paints to this part. This is so freaking cool. It looks so like rustic. I love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and add extra. So I'll go ahead and add extra paint to this area. The green is still peeping through. especially on this side, and then leave it outside to dry. Okay. Okay, so here is the finished look. I definitely feel like I was gonna like, maybe I can spray paint the inside because it's still green, but I like this. I feel like this was definitely the color that I was going for. This will look really good on a bookshelf. It's so beautiful. Let me see. It's definitely looking really nice. I love this.
Can get the ball. What baby? Come down. Let me carry you. Love you. Will this one be enough? So what's the sand for?
To make it look old.
The water? Oh, you be numbing? Papa? Mommy,
Yeah?
it's a wrist guard.
Huh?
It's a wrist.
What?
A wrist.
What's that?
It's a virus.
Okay.
A virus doesn't have the water. Look,
Hey, come and pour the whole sand. Don't put any more. Actually, I don't need more. I don't need more water. I need more sand. Just pour the sand.
Everything. What did you mix inside?
Huh?
Did you mix anything?
No. Here is the finished look, you guys. I honestly like it. Tell me what you think about it. What do you guys think? It is so cute. Let me move. I low-key like this. I don't know if I really wanna, I'm not sure if I really want to like take off any more dirt. I think it looks good like this. Ooh, that looks so good. So obviously it's not gonna go here. So you guys, I was trying to say that it was not gonna be on the dining table and then my camera died. But I decided to like put this stuff here in the entryway, but I'm not sure how I feel about it. I think I need to take off more dirt, so I'm probably gonna start doing that later today. I'm gonna take more dirt off of it, but I do like it. I'm not sure which one. I don't know. I'm gonna take enough dirt for the black to show, but just a little bit of the rusticness to be there, so that it can honestly go well with my entryway. You guys let me know. What do you guys think so far? Do you think it works or does it not work? I low-key honestly like it on the dining table. I do. I really do. So maybe it might go back on the dining table. I don't know.